Good morning, everybody. It's again Monday morning, and hey, we're on Onrus beach, and I hope you enjoyed this segment with us. You know, on this Monday morning, especially on Monday mornings, I realize it's quite difficult to get these dimensions aligned of our bodies and get it up and our minds to start working. Yeah, 2020 has been quite a rough year. What do you think of 2020? Maybe in the comments below put the word 2020 and your comment of what 2020 has meant to you. Does your 2020 look like this, all scrambled up? Or does your 2020 look like this? Nice and neat, all sort of sorted, everything in order? Let me tell you what I've learned in 2020. One of my first lessons was I started reviewing my life's journey. So it's going to be 6 hours. So I reviewed my life's journey, where I've come from and where I'm going. What have you done in terms of reviewing your life journey? I've also restored and replenished my energy. Back-to-back traveling, meetings, appointments can take its toll. But just to be quiet, be at home, restore, maybe sleep a little bit later. I've restored my energies, I've rested, and not being on planes. Man, but I do miss being on a plane. Another thing I learned, the third R in 2020, was renewed relationships. And one of the renewed relationships of 2020 was with my children. I could spend more time with my kiddos, started cooking with my youngest boys, and our bond is growing stronger and stronger. Another lesson I learned in 2020, another R, the fourth R, is I reconnected with a lot of old friends. I'm sure you have, and the famous Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp calls, being online. And I enjoyed that. I enjoyed the time I have and the time I've had this year just to have this reconnected relationships. The fifth R is, as I'm 55, I recalculated my my assets, my income, my cash flow. The sixth R that really hit quite home was that I could re-engage. And re-engaging actually came in a different way, and that's with on YouTube. I could now re-engage and engage with all of you across the globe. And as I said last week, all the way from California all the way to Sydney, across the globe, I could reconnect and re-engage. And what an awesome year it's actually been. And so thank you, 2020. It is always such an honor to speak to our life partners, and they make this possible. Without them, we wouldn't be able to host this channel. Thank you, guys. This channel is also made possible by the amazing involvement of No Problem Systems. Go check out their link right here, right below. And that's a wrap from Onrus Beach. And hey, until next Monday, cheers.